My name it's Zakaria Tanko Musa. I lecture at the Ghana Institute of Journalism. It is a university basically, but we've still maintained the Ghana Institute of Journalism as a brand name. I'm also the head of the print journalism department. I am I have been practicing journalism for the past 20 years. In addition to my background as a journalist, I have been involved in community relations, community development. I am also a board member of one of the two main national newspapers called the Ghanaian Times, and I serve on their editorial committee. I'm also the founder and CEO of a social enterprise called the Ghana Institute of Ideas, which basically is seeking to empower the youth in looking at entrepreneurship. When this SUSI opportunity came, I thought this is a very good opportunity to engage with the US beyond the media expose, beyond what the media tells us almost all the time. Because invariably, we have developed an understanding of the US, not necessarily true, certainly from my perspective, not necessarily true engaging with the people on a one-on-one basis, but from what the media tells us. And depending on the media's position on any issue, what they would tell you would be different. And I thought this would be an opportunity to come to the US, understand from my own perspective how the US people behave, and then form my own opinion. And the fact that you're going to come and engage with about 18 different journalism and media scholars across the length and breadth of the world, to me was priceless, and I thought this is where I have to be, and I'm glad I came. The hospitality that was granted to us by almost everybody involved in the SUSI, from the drivers to the assistants to Yusuf, was really quite amazing and awesome. And the people we have met so far, so good. So far, so good. Everybody has been very nice to us, and the colleagues I have met, we've already started sharing, experiencing, and already started thinking about projects that we can execute. And to me, I think this is what SUSI is all about. My expectations of the SUSI 2016 program is to go back home with a different perspective of the US and its people, and to also learn new ways of teaching media, journalism and ethics, especially as well community journalism. And it's also to learn from all the other 18 scholars that are here, to learn about each other's country and the way we all do things, and to take it back to my country. And because as a journalist and as a trainer, we inform and educate, so that we can inform and educate people about different ways of doing things at different places, and that can only make us all improve in the way we do our things.